Okay, Chevy fans, we are looking at a super rare 283 V8 fuel injected Bel Air convertible. Let's have a look at it. These are super rare cars, and I'm assuming it must be real and authentic because the restoration on this car is nothing short of incredible. Reminiscent of the Corvettes. Yeah, see. Look at this. All the attention to details are there. I think that's a tissue box down there, maybe. I'm guessing. I don't know. Maybe you experts can chime in and tell me what that thing is down under there. But the silver and red interior certainly is a nice touch. You can tell the top is beautiful under there, which you know why they keep it down there. The antenna mounted on the rear quarter. There's your fuel door. I was walking by and this thing caught my eye because it's just so nicely done. And then when I saw it was a Fuelie with the skirts. Wow. Let's take a close up on this. Yes. We're coming up on the data sheet. We'll read the details here in a minute. But looks like somebody has definitely taken the time. It's a little bit older restoration, but you can tell it's a very nice one. Okay, here we go. Matador red, red silver interior. Wow. Flame out back of tissue dispenser. That's what it was then. Wonder bar radio. This one looks like it checked off a lot of boxes. So
This kind of reminds me of it. I remember in the back seat.
So wow. Wow. There you have it, Bel Air fans. A Superior Boulevard Cruiser from the halcyon days of Camelot of America. This is Gall's Garage. Thank you.